We're printing our initial entity count here and setting up our simulation cycle counter. Then we experience a fundamental programming structure for continuous operation, while time.time is less than simulation end, colon. This demonstrates the while loop, Python's conditional repetition structure that continues executing code blocks as long as specified conditions remain true, perfect for simulations and time-based processing. So this while loop, time.time gets the current Unix timestamp, the exact current moment as a number, less than simulation end, compares it to our calculated end time. The loop continues as long as the current time is less than the simulation end time. This creates duration-controlled execution. Instead of running a predetermined number of iterations, the loop runs until a specific time is reached, automatically stopping when the duration expires. The time-based condition works like start time, 164123456 simulation begins, simulation ends, another number, 5 minutes later. Loop continues while current time is less than end time and automatically stops when current time reaches end time. The while loop differs from for loops in their continuation criteria. For loops run a specific number of times, iterating through the number of items that are there. While loops run until condition changes. In this case, this time-based loop control creates a professional simulation behavior where duration matters more than iteration count, matching real experimental procedures in this case, contextually.